This is Mr. Jarvis with homework help for October 2nd. Hope you're having a great evening. I'm going to do a couple other problems, 3 of them. Let's look at number 2. So number 2, we had a little issue with number 2 because the book just started throwing meters and kilometers at us. 400. So the track high school is 400 meters. 6 times 400 meters around the track. Has she's gone more than 2 kilometers? So the first thing we got to know is, how much is a kilometer? Well, I'm going to write here K1. Okay. Make a little chart. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So the question is, did she run more than 2 kilometers? Did she run more than, so twice this. So if I times 2, that's 2,000 meters. Did she run more than 2,000 meters to get to 2 kilometers? All right, let's find out. So this is kind of the key. We need to know kilometers, meters, and we didn't. So, and they haven't shown us this year. So I was a little surprised that they kind of threw this at us. So anyway, so she ran 400 meters 6 times. So the track's 400. She ran 6 times around the track. That's 400 meters. So 400, and we know 6 times 4 is 24. So we just know that 6 times 400 is 2,400. There's 2 zeros here. So she ran 2,400 meters. Is that more than 2 kilometers? That's more than 2,000 meters, which is 2 kilometers. So number 2 is a definite yes. Yay. Okay. So next one, Mr. Madison needs 175 granola bars for his 5th grade field trip. Woo! Way to go, Mr. Madison. The bars come in boxes of 10. Uh-oh. So he'll need to buy 17 boxes of 10. So let's figure out probably the simplest way that I would do it is to say, well, how much do we have? We could say, well, we have 175. 175 5th graders. Divide that by 10. What do we, how many boxes do we need? Remember, if there's a remainder, we need 1 more box. But an easier way, I think, just to say let's just check his math. He bought 17 boxes of 10. So he bought 17 10 times. That's 170. And that is not enough. Someone's going hungry, Mr. Madison. Nope, ain't going to work. All right. Let's go on to number 3 here. That's number 3. Let's go on to number 4. I like this problem. But I like to write it vertically. We multiply 247. That's the same as 200 times 4. Yeah, I think that's going to work out. 200. Whoops. Let me rewrite this. So I like to write it vertically. 247 times 4. Let's check this out. So that's really the same as 4 times 200. I'm writing it the opposite way they did. That's okay. Yes. 4 times 200 plus 4 times this 4. But what's this for? Ones, tens, or hundreds? It's 4 tens. So it's 4 times 40 plus 4 times 7. This is getting kind of messy. Sorry. Incorrect. Not going to work. This needs to be 4 times 40 for it to work, because this 4 represents 4 tens. Okay. I'm going to leave it messy. I won't clean that up. That one was pretty easy. That's a disagree, because this 4 should represent, this 4 represents 40. 4 tens. Okay. All right. So Brad wants a package of baseballs in sets of 100. I got 2 here. he wants to use the least amount of cardboard. So we're talking about surface area, covering, not how these both hold 100. But how much cardboard, how much square units of cardboard do we need to cover these? So this one represents 2 by 5 by 10. So we're looking at, we have the base, bottom, and the top. So the top I can see, I can't see the bottom, is 2 by 5. So it's going to be 2 times 5. Because I just calculated the bottom or the top. For the bottom, there's a top. Now I need to go front back. Plus 2 times, this is 2. Here's the front, 2. 2 times 2 times 10 up here. Plus, and this is this. So we have, I did top, bottom, front, back. Now I'm going to go side, side. What's this side is 5 by 10. So there's 2 sides though. So 2 times 5 by 10. So front, back. I'm sorry, top, bottom, front, back, side, side. So 2 times 5 is 10. 20 here. Plus 20 times 2 is 40. Let me write this correctly. I'm not doing so well here. 20 is 40. Plus 5 times 10 is 50. Plus 100. So we get 60, 160 square units. Okay, 160. All right. Let's try another shape then. What do you think? So this one's my top is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 5. So 2 times. I'm gonna use a different color this time. I think I'll use blue for this one. Okay, 2 times. I have 5 times 5. Plus, so I got the top. There's also a bottom. This is 5 by 5. There's also 5 by 5. So I need to do front and back times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by, that's 4 high. So the front and back is 5 times 4. Plus, let me get rid of this. This is bugging me. Okay. Plus, I have, so I got top, bottom, front, back, side, side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 4 again. 5 times 4. And I have twice that. So I have 25 times 2 is 50. Oh, come on, Mr. Jarvis. So this is 50. 20 times 2 is 40. 5 times 4 is 20. Times 2 is 40 again. Okay. So that is just 130 units. Squares. Units. So if this were, inches, it'd be inches squared because it's length times width. So is this the most efficient or is this the most efficient? So it's not the most efficient the way they've done it, 2 by 5 times 10. So the answer is absolutely not. All right. Hope that helps. Hope you're having a great evening, and we'll go over all the problems tomorrow.